guys, for Kidoyo, I'm going to make a paper airplane and I'm going to throw it and test it out, see how it works. So, first, come here. So, first you're going to hold the paper vertical. Hope you can see. You fold it down like in the middle, the top two corners, like every airplane. And then next you take one of the corners and fold it in the middle. Oh, like that. And then do it with the other side. And then along down the middle, you fold it in half. Like that. You can see. And then you take the tip, fold it down. Doesn't matter if it goes all the way to the bottom of the airplane, and then it doesn't matter how long you fold it. And then you do the same thing with the other side, and then you got yourself an airplane. So I'm going to throw it and test it. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh.
Yes! I did it! Cut!